Why does food sometimes come out of your nose if you sneeze while eating? It's awkward, uncomfortable, and feels completely unnatural, but it's actually caused by a simple mechanical mix-up inside your throat. Your mouth, nose, and throat are all connected,
Seriously?
and timing plays a bigger role than you might expect. So what's really happening? I'll tell you. But first, if you believe angels are your savior, make sure to like the video and subscribe. If not, then you believe your savior are the devils. Share this video to show your love for angels and leave a heart for him. When you sneeze, a powerful burst of air rushes through your nose and mouth. If you happen to be swallowing at that moment, the pressure can push food upward into the nasal passages and out through the nose.